Look at that! So I messed up. Just came across this one.
I will actually have a out.
Whoa. Nippy. Happy New Year, everybody. We're back out in the Wicklow Mountains on another adventure. Back out here with Dale.
You!
We're doing the Lough Bray loop, and it's icy. Icy it is. My nose feels like it's gonna fall off. We've only started. This is gonna be a quick enough loop. It's only 7 kilometers, so nothing compared to that last sketchy adventure. So if you haven't seen that, go back and watch it. But anyways, let's get into it, bro.
Let's go.
Yup. That was probably like our best to date. What do you think?
Yeah, I think
best
so.
to date.
I think so.
Check this out.
Ooh. You going for the swim?
It's great seeing the ridge.
Yeah.
Wait, do you think we're going to be hiking up that way?
Ooh, probably.
We're going to find out.
Yeah.
Beautiful though.
What's the elevation on this one now?
I have no idea, bro. I actually didn't check. I'm going to have a look now. So I messed up. Completely forgot to stop in the shop and get milk for the coffee, water for the coffee, and food.
Water for yourself?
Yeah, water for myself. Luckily I'm gonna scab off Dylan for a little bit. Can't believe it. We were just chatting and we just forgot, like, honestly. But never mind all that, because check out that view. Beautiful up here. I have a protein bar, that'll keep me going. Yeah, and I had breakfast for once. Hey, had a bit of Weetabix. So we're just following the trail here, and we're getting to the next lake. Whoa, nearly fell. So the first lake that I showed you was Upper Lough Bray. I'm gonna have to check that one sec. Yeah, right, so I should have cut that because we're going downhill. So the first lake that I showed you was Upper Lough Bray, and then this lake here that we're getting to is Lower Lough Bray. But it's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna see if I can get you a better view when I get a little bit closer on the trail. Come on. Do you reckon you can break it?
Yeah, I can hear it.
Oh, you can see the bubbles. Stand on it again.
Cracking.
Oh yeah.
You can see it cracking.
Oh. Think we can throw a rock through it or something?
Oh,
yeah. Right, we get a rock. Oh, by the way, so this is the lower Lough Bray. Beautiful. Ah, absolutely stunning. Do you know what? It's freezing, but we've gotten a beautiful day for it. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. What are we saying though?
It is beautiful, but it's
Beautiful.
freezing.
Yeah, but freezing is right. We need to find a rock. So we can't actually get a rock because the rocks are frozen in the ground. Look. Frozen. Okay, right, Dylan has something. He has a big hard lump of muck. Wait, don't do it. You're gonna smash it into it?
I'm just gonna go up and down when I smash it into it.
Yeah, bash it into it. Wait, I'll get across to the side. See it? Right, go for it.
Oh.
Jeez, the ice is solid. Solid.
Step on it.
Whoa. Hold that. What the fuck? Jesus. That's nuts. Whoa. Boy things. We are children at heart. Little chance here now to walk right down to the lake, to the lower lake, before we cut up around the mountains. Oh, it's beautiful. The sound of the water and all. This is a nice spot for a little picnic or something. If, you know, I had to remember to get the stuff out of the shop. Fuck's sake. So
nice, keep you warm.
Beautiful. So we've elevated a good bit now, and we can see a nice view of the lakes. You can't really see it in the camera. I'll see if I can zoom for you, but you can actually see the upper lake. The upper lake is literally just that little glint there.
Nice.
But it's cool.
It's cool.
And funny enough, as Dylan was saying, it's actually easier doing the climb than it is making our way down the way we were at the start, because it's icy. So it's actually a lot easier getting your feet, or getting your footing. But we're getting on. The climb's not too bad, isn't it? It's a bit of a steady climb.
Yeah.
Little beach down there. It's all private land though. Don't know if you could see earlier, there's a big gaff hiding in the trees over there. Gold, your own beach and all, what?
Yeah. Real on that sound.
Yeah, too right. We'll be doing vlogs from the beach. Listen to that.
Ghosts on the mountain.
Wonder did he ever, like, what did he ever do? Because he got up that mountain, up the ridge, and that was a tough climb for us.
Yeah.
And he was in shorts and a t-shirt. And then he turned back to go that way.
Yeah. And there was a car there.
Yeah, that car, still there, to this day.
One way.
Now we're starting to peak, you can probably hear the wind. But we should get a good view of the two lakes here. Here we have it. Wow. Unbelievable. I don't want to stand too close to the edge because it's fairly icy around here, and I don't want to be saying see you later down that mountain. But I have to say, this is beautiful. Fairly easy hike as well. I'd say so. What do you think, though?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It was the hill up was the hardest bit, but it's only for like what, 10 minutes or something?
Yeah, literally. Yeah. But anyways,
Stand out on that.
what's it?
Stand out on the rock.
Yeah, I was only saying that. I was like, I'm like not making my way down there. Go sliding. But we're gonna make our way down now. Where we still have a little bit of a climb to do. We'll be going all the way around, which will take us back to the car park. So we don't have much long to go, or much further to go. Just after been talking about bread and leek soup. Top tier. If any is like it, let me know.
I'm a vegetable soup man.
A vegetable soup man.
Yeah. I think the only soup I really like. Well, I'm not very exotic with my choice of soup. Like, very safe.
Yeah. Safe option. Veg soup.
Veg soup.
Straight out the packet. Instant soup. Yeah. Oh, we're getting hungry. Why don't you see this? All the ice hanging down. Deadly. We go up and have a look. Check this out. It's mad, like, you come up here, it's like you're in a different world, isn't it? That's cool. Let's get a closer look. It's slippy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up this way, look. Now, here we go. Check that out. That is mad looking. Look at that! Where's it gone? Oh. Wow! That is mad! Try not to slip.
Oh.
Mad. See if you can break one off without it snapping. Like like. Whoa! Be careful.
Yeah, no, fuck that. I'm not going back up there.
Whoa! Okay.
Can I get down without?
Right. Here we go. Hey! Oh, bring it over! If you're not a Harry Potter fan, I don't want to know you. Very good. Brilliant. Wow, man. Just came across this one. Oh, it's like the length of your leg. Oh, fuck.
Oh no!
Fuck's
Got the
sake.
sound.
Fuck's sake. Go on, give it a smash it. That's solid, man.
Smash this. I actually didn't break it
It didn't break.
I'll smash this one off.
Go on.
I'll throw this
Whoa.
up. I'll throw this up, and you throw this off it.
You think I'm about to hit it?
Try it.
I'll try. Oh, close.
Oh, someone's dead.
Corey, if Corey was here, he'd be chancing standing on this.
You'd be dancing on it. Jesus.
This is for the boys.
For the boys. What the fuck? Didn't even break.
Oh,
That's crazy.
that's crazy. I just went to put my hand in the water right there to take a chunk of ice out of it. And it's solid. It's frozen. I thought that bit was all frozen, but what? Mad. That's mad. Oh. Here we go. Now it's broke. Okay, maybe it's not. Oh. We took a wrong turn. As per usual. Wouldn't be like us.
It wasn't him.
Yeah, we just follow around the people and hope for the best. Fuck's sake. Back to the trail we go. Dylan's chancing the ice over here, he is. You gonna stand on it?
Nah, I can see the water. It's cracking then when I stand on it.
That's dodge. Mr. Campbell. Mr. Campbell.
Oh.
Where are you when we need you? Whoa.
No.
Yeah, that's dodge. that's a no for me, dog. That's a fresh Alvarez. Right, so we're back down. The car is literally just there. Only 2 minutes away, so that's gonna be it for today, folks. That was an easy one. Nice little tame hike, a loop around the upper and lower Lough Bray. So if that's what you want to do, up the Dublin Mountains there. It says the Wicklow Mountains, but it's Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe, you know what I mean, drop a little comment, tell us what you think. Tell us what you think about the elder one that we found, if you're a Harry Potter fan. Deal, what you had to say to the folks.
Do this hike, but maybe not when it's this cold. But no, it's actually nice though. So
Actually, the ground was frozen, so it was actually easier at the hike. We didn't have all the bog to walk through.
yeah, I slipped a few times though, but I remained like all my body didn't touch the ground.
He kept the
myself
balance.
up,
He's a ninja.
Still, it doesn't count, and it's not on camera, so it doesn't count.
Yeah. Listen, folks, thanks for watching. Peace.
Peace.